Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry recipe, which is very simple and easy to make this recipe. And let's get started. So before start the video, please don't forget to click the red button, it's written subscribe, and also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload the new recipe. And let's get started. Now once you start to boil water, now I'm gonna add green onion roots and ginger. And meat here I choose chicken with skin and with bone. So now add the chicken. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt and one more time mix. Cover and let them cook for 5 minutes, and chicken will easily cook. Make sure to not cook more than 5 minutes. So check the chicken and make sure to not overcook the chicken because we have to cook 2 times. And now my chicken is ready. Now I'm gonna take out all chicken and remove the water. Now I'm gonna add around 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Once you heat the oil, I'm gonna fry the ginger and garlic. Fry for couple minutes and little golden brown color. Once the golden brown color the garlic, and take out all garlic and set aside. In same oil I'm gonna fry the green chili. So it will, if before add the green chili you have to fry garlic and ginger, so it will give nice flavor. And continuously you have to stir, because if you not stir then only burn in one side. Now once the chili becomes soft, now it's time to take out. Once it's done, the chili all take out. Now I'm gonna add 2 pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna use same pot before we fry the chili, and I'm gonna add before fried garlic and ginger. Next I'm gonna add dry chili. Also I'm gonna add some chili paste. By the way, this is optionally, so I like to make a little bit spicy. So and add just a little bit chicken stock. and keep in low flame and just set aside. One side I'm gonna toast my chicken. Add half teaspoon sugar, cooking sugar here I'm gonna use. And spread the sugar so this way your sugar will easily melt. Once you start, the sugar will melt. Now it's time to add chicken. The sugar will make your chicken a little bit golden brown color. It will make like your chicken is grilled chicken. And you don't need to add oil because chicken already have the natural oil. And you have to continuously stir it like this until all the chicken will little not change the color. You have to toast like this. Now can you see my chicken color is brown color and it's look like grilled chicken. Now it's ready. Now I'm gonna put in both. Now I'm gonna add before left the chicken stock. So here I'm gonna eat with the rice, so I like to make a little bit gravy soup. Add just a little bit salt. The salt is according to taste, you can add. Now cover and just let them boil. Once it start to boil, now it's time almost ready. You don't need to cook over because we already cooked all before. And now I'm gonna add just a little bit, make more gravy. So I'm gonna add just a little bit corn flour water, around 2 tablespoons. So it will make your soup with a little bit more gravy. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit green onion leaves. So here I'm gonna use frozen green onion leaves. So if you have fresh, you can go with fresh. Now it's time to ready. Alright guys, so this is my final result. So now you can go with the rice, now you can go with chapati, whatever you like, you can go with that. So here I serve with the rice. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And about more recipe, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. And every time enjoy my homemade recipe and how it is, don't forget to leave comment below. So thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.